Today I'm celebrating my birthday, becoming 31 years old, celebrating life every day again. And I want to honor in this occasion just the beauty of being alive and celebrating that gift that I got, that every one of us got, to be in that human body, to shine with that deep inner light and love outside in the world, and just having that chance of dancing the dance of life. Yeah, and looking back now, on a birthday in the past year, just so grateful for building a deep relationship with my fiance, choosing to stay in Thailand, build our life here in Thailand, marrying next year, and building such a deep foundation of a relationship. I never thought it can exist in that depth, intimacy-wise, connection-wise, working together, supporting each other, being accountable in all paths of life. So that's one big celebration. Second is like this amazing community that I've the honor to live in here in Koh Phangan and in the whole world. I found in the last year I've got so much connection and friendships that strengthened or that built completely new with like-minded, vision and mission aligned people that are here as I am to shine their light into the world and just live their essence, their light, and just are so inspiring with their brilliance that they bring, and at the same time with their vulnerability in the journey, because all of us we struggle sometimes. It's like a shadow light dance. It's a dance. And finally, but not least, I'm just grateful for myself. I'm really grateful for the love that I could deepen to myself, that honesty that I could cultivate, also when it was challenging, that I could let go when my intuition was telling me to let go of projects, of work, of life circumstances, that I could continuously reinvent, rebirth myself and those aspects, and come to a place where I say now, after my 30th year, entering the 31st, I gave it all the last year. Every day was a miracle. Every day I showed up as the best version of myself, and today I love myself way, way more than a year ago, and I live my dream life, outside and inside. So I'm really grateful. So now it's celebration time. And I invite you to celebrate as well, because it's not just a birthday to celebrate in my specific day, but it's celebrating your life, celebrating another day in this paradise of life, in this miracle that we have the honor to be part of. The dance, we have the honor to dance and enjoy, celebrate, honor this awe of life. With this, I wish you a beautiful, beautiful day. Mwah.